In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project to your Behance portfolio. If you've been working on something you're excited to show the world, Behance is a fantastic platform for sharing your creative work. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Behance.net. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in using your credentials. But if you're new to Behance, don't worry. It's quick and easy to set up a free account so you can start showcasing your talent. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your profile. Once you're logged into your account, the next step is to start your new project. You can do this by clicking the Create a Project button. This is usually found at the top of your dashboard or on your profile page, making it easy to find. Now, let's get into the fun part: uploading and organizing your content. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find the Add Content or Upload section. Here you have the option to either drag and drop your files directly into the project space or select them from your device. Behance is pretty versatile. It supports images, videos, PDFs, and even embeds from Photoshop files or Creative Cloud. Once your files are uploaded, take a minute to rearrange them. You can simply drag items to control the order in which they are presented. This step is important for crafting a narrative or simply ensuring that your most eye-catching visuals appear first. After your content is beautifully organized, it's time to add some project details. Start by giving your project a title. Make sure it's descriptive and catchy to grab attention. Choose a creative field, such as illustration or graphic design, to categorize your work appropriately. Adding relevant project tags will also help improve your project's discoverability on the platform. A compelling description is crucial. This is where you have the opportunity to explain your inspiration, the process behind your work, the tools you used, and any challenges or interesting stories. A thoughtful description can engage viewers and make them connect more deeply with your work. Don't forget to set a cover image. This is the thumbnail that first meets your viewer's eyes, so ensure it's both eye-catching and relevant to the project. Before going live, you'll want to preview your project. Click Continue, or go to the Settings menu where you can select Preview. This gives you a chance to catch any typos or layout issues, always a good idea for putting your best foot forward. Final steps involve choosing your visibility settings: public, members only, or private. Make sure you pick the setting that aligns with who you want to share your project with. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything looks fantastic, hit Publish to make your project live. And there you have it. Your project is now part of your Behance portfolio, ready for the world to see.